Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Linda Garrick, and today from our friends at Dotty Designs, I have diamond cards. They are diamond painting card kits. Make adorable little cards like this. They have a texture on them. They're just a really fun activity, and I can't wait to show you how to do it, so come play with us. So if you are familiar with diamond painting, it is just a really fun activity, and this form is in a card making kit. So let's go through these. We've got our little snowman with the birdhouse. We've got our little snow couple here. We've got some little penguins in snow, a polar bear and penguin, and then we've got this cute little gingerbread train, and then our cute little dancing snowman with snowflakes. So let's take a look at these wonderful cards that my friend Debbie made. They are so cute. And the kits, I'm going to take one of these apart and we're going to do this together, but the kit has absolutely everything that you need to do this project, except we added a little dazzle greeting there and a little ribbon. But it is perfectly, it has the envelope, it has everything. You don't need scissors, you don't need glue. You can just take this with you on vacation, and you can take this to a friend's house, you can take this to a card making crop, and you can do all of this right there. It's so easy and portable. I love that. And we've got this one where, oh, I should mention this one. Debbie used these Merry Christmas Dazzle stickers, and they come in all these different finishes. And then also these Dotty ribbons. This dot ribbon set goes beautifully with really all of these. It just sort of picks up that little dot on the diamond painting. And then we've got this one, which is a 6x6. I'm going to measure that. I think it truly is a 6x6. No, it's not. It is just under 6, so it's like 5 3/4 square. And this one is 5 3/4 by 3 3/4. So there we go. So for this one, so cute with this little snow couple, Debbie actually just added the greeting right here. The rest of this border is already on the background card. And for this, she used script greeting dazzle stickers, and she used the little tiny Christmas tiny words and phrases that are already included in that. She used this green one right here. So cute. And this one, she did something a little different. She took a blank 5 by 6.5 inch card. She actually cut the front off of the diamond painting card and then matted that with some beautiful blue holographic snowflake paper. Ooh, and then glued that to the card front, and then added some thin line silver thin line dazzle stickers. There are these wonderful little borders right there, and then added some more of those tiny words and phrases that are in silver. Let me see if we can find those in here. There we go, from this pack right here. So cute. Added a little Dotty ribbon and all done. And then we've got some little snowflake dazzles as well, using this pack of beautiful snowflake dazzle stickers. So you can see, you can just run with that. Once you have got your Dotty little art activity done here, you can really do lots more with that. Okay, so that's an example. So let's get to this kit and show you how this is done. Make sure I have everything I need. I do. Okay, so we're going to open this up. This is the little dancing snowman guy. He's so, or penguin guy. So cute. All right, so we've got this. We've got the envelope. These are the tools that we need. All right, now this little pink tool right here, this is the applicator. And right here, it's got a little hollow tube. And we need to back up. We're blurry. There we go. A little hollow, it's a little too far. There we go, a little bit more. A little bit more, there we go. We've got this little hollow tube that we're gonna put some of this wax in. This is wax that has plastic on each side of it. And what you do is you just take from the edge of it, I just like to take a little scoop of it, just like that. Okay, and it just makes it tacky on one end, all right? And then we've got these extra little supply bags, and those are for extra little flat beads when we're done with, if we have extra, we can just seal them up in there. And this is our little sorting tray. All right, so let's get to these. These are little gems that are flat on the back. Where is the opening? Here we go. And what is wonderful about these is that they are all labeled. They come in a big long pack like this. They almost look like candy. All right, and they're perforated, so you can just go down like this, pull them apart, and then they're also labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay? So we're gonna actually use, I'm gonna separate some of these. All right, and then on our little card here, you can't really see. Let's see if I can get closer. How close can we get without getting blurry? Keep going. Farther. Close as you can. Okay, there we go. So you can see there's little letters all over this. And then if you peel off this little top sheet, the area where there are letters is sticky. Okay, not over here where there's no letters, just the area where there's letters. And what we do is we take our little corresponding letter here for these packets. This is letter A, and then we just look for where the letter A is, and that's all those little A's, green A's on the scarf and on the hat. So let's put some of these on here. So you're just gonna tear this open, pour some out. And what is that old thing, adage about when you're pouring paint? Only pour as much as you're willing to clean up. My dad used to say that. So I'm just gonna pour a few, and here's why. Another time I was doing this at home and I had the whole package on there, and then I was just going really great, filling in all my little letters, and then I hit the tray and they went everywhere. So I spent a while picking them up. So I'm only gonna put a little bit in there at a time because I had that happen. So learn from my mistake. You can always just refill this. Now what I'm doing is I'm shaking these. And when you shake them, there are little ridges on this little tray. And when you shake them, these little guys just turn right side up or upside down, okay? But you just keep shaking them and they'll start to turn right side up. And what I mean by that is you just take your little tool and you just place it on there, and then you get one stuck really easily. And then we're only going to peel back where we are working. And then you're going to place that little jewel right there. And then once you get an area filled, then what I like to do is go back over that area and burnish that so it sticks in really well. But for now, we're just going to be taking our little jewels. We're going to be placing these, oops, missed one. We're going to be placing them on all the little A dots. And I'm going to tell you what, kids love to do this, adults love to do this. I love doing this and watching a television show or a movie that I've seen before, so I don't have to sit there and watch it very carefully. But I love listening to the radio or listening to a podcast or a book on tape. And this is, look how quickly this is going. And it's fun and it is an activity. Think of this like cross stitch or something like that. It's an activity. So this is not if you want to race to get a card done. This is enjoying the process of making this. And when you're done, you get something unusual and different to share with a friend for a card. It's got texture, it's got sparkle. That. And now the next one on there is E. So we're going to go ahead and do letter E. It's right here. And as I said, these just pull right apart. So what I love about these is that they are so portable, and you can take these anywhere that you have a table to work on. That's the only thing. And it took me about 90 minutes to do a card. And I don't think that's too long for an activity. That's just a nice little one sitting activity. Now we're doing the E with this really pretty blue. So we've got this really pretty blue and green border. Like that. And I find this very relaxing and very soothing. I think if you like puzzles and projects like that, you would like this. Very simple. Nice one to do with the kids and the grandkids. They can each have their own card. I think just teaching them not to pull the plastic all the way off, because the more you handle that adhesive, the less sticky it is. All right, so there you go. That's how easy it is to do that. And as I said, it would take me about 90 minutes of just sitting there casually doing that. Maybe a little less with this one. It would probably take 90 minutes to do a 2-character situation. I like to do all of one color, so I would normally do all of the little letter A's, all the greens throughout the whole thing. And so I would do that, and then I would do this side, and then put that down, and then I would do this side, and then do the other color. It's just nice to not to have all of the different packages open and spilling beads. So open one color, do that, and then open the next color when you're done. Okay, you guys, we have a really great money saver on these adorable little kits. Would definitely encourage you to check those out. They are on the right-hand side of the screen. If you are watching us on YouTube or our paper, if you're watching us there, just look below the video in the description box and you will see a link that'll take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page. And it's so fun and easy to do. Check that out. And hey, while you're there, if you would give us a thumbs up, if you like this video, that is really great. It helps people find our channel. And subscribe, hit that notification bell. We do 4 to 5 videos a week and we wouldn't want you to miss a thing. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.